How to add a custom widget on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is press and hold on anywhere on the screen. Now you are able to make some changes. Click on the option Edit given at the top left. From list of options, select Add Widget. With that, bunch of options will appear. Scrolling down, you're going to find the list of the apps for which you can create the widget. Or also you can search for it. At the top, you're going to see the search box. So I'm going to select Snapchat. For Snapchat, you're going to find 4 options. You can use any of these and add it to your home screen. Select it and click on Add Widget. Now place it anywhere on your home screen. By following the same steps, you can easily add other widgets as well. Let's try another one as well. Let's try for the app Messenger. And that's it. This is how you can easily add a custom widget on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.